Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Today's video is about my personal postal stamps collection. There are more than 32,000 stamps, cards, and covers of over 180 countries in 42 albums. Dozens of stamps belong to the 19th century. In this video, I'm going to show you the album 1 out of 42 albums, having 1100 stamps of 32 countries, including Australia, Brunei, Canada, and China. The stamps are arranged alphabetically, country-wise from A to C. 40 cards with stamped envelopes are also part of this album that are received by post from Sultan of Brunei, His Majesty Sir Sultan Hasanal Bolkiah, in the early years of 2000. This is my first video on stamps collection. In the coming days, I will share the remaining albums too. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified about my upcoming videos. Let's enjoy the video.